Money, Master the Game, by Tony Robbins is a comprehensive and practical guide to personal finance and investing. In this book, Robbins draws on insights from some of the world's most successful investors to provide readers with a step-by-step plan for achieving financial freedom. Robbins' approach is highly accessible and covers everything from asset allocation and risk management to tax-efficient investing and estate planning. One of the book's key strengths is its emphasis on empowering readers to take control of their financial futures. Robbins encourages readers to develop a clear understanding of their financial goals and then provides a roadmap for achieving them. He stresses the importance of discipline and consistency in investing, while debunking common myths and misconceptions about the stock market. Another standout feature of Money, Master the Game, is its focus on index funds. Robbins argues that these funds, which aim to match the performance of a particular market index, are a simple and low-cost way for investors to achieve market returns. He provides detailed information on how to choose and invest in index funds, as well as tips for minimizing fees and taxes. At over 600 pages, Money, Master the Game, may feel overwhelming at times. However, Robbins' engaging writing style and practical advice make it an excellent resource for anyone seeking to improve their financial literacy and achieve greater financial security. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, this book offers a wealth of information and insights to help you achieve your financial goals. There is a link in the comments below to get further information.